Hello and welcome to our little backyard refresh. Our little poor backyard has been neglected for a little bit and it is time to give it some love. As you saw in the last video, we took out the cat palms and we put some in the front. Now we're gonna take this cat palm out, and in this area we're gonna refresh it, put some more plants and flowers. We wanna add some more color to this area. We have a lot of greenery, but we need color. That is the goal, to add some color. So this is the before, and we got some plants. We're gonna start bringing them in, setting it up, and see how we wanna layer it. But here's the before. We need a lot of love in this area. It's been neglected. So we already got our dirt here. We're ready to go. We did some cleaning up and we have our blank slate here. We took out the other cat palm there. Now we can go ahead and start mocking up how we want to set everything up. We also had to move our sprinkler heads. We had to create a line, and let me tell you, those roots are no joke. And I think that is what has taken us the longest, is just trying to get through those roots to fix that sprinkler. The previous owners put it right up against the pool deck here, so there's concrete plus the roots from the palm trees. It was quite the mess, but we are there now. This is the blank slate. I'm gonna start mocking it up now. Got the umbrellas up. We have a very hot day. We added some dirt. We were getting kind of low there. Let's start mocking it up. All right, so we have them all planted in. I'm super excited. Mia wants to show you. We have the Alocasia in the back there that's just popping, and in the middle there we have the tropical hibiscus. In the front we chose the Vinca. We did run into quite a bit of a dilemma. We had a lot of roots from our palm trees here, so it made it extremely difficult to plant these. But we also ran into concrete from the previous fence. The fence was moved not long ago, so the post used to be this way. So a lot of the places we wanted to plant, that being a spot, had pure concrete there. So we were unable to plant there, but in time those will fill in and really take up those areas. So to come up close, just look at those beautiful hibiscus flowers. And we've got, those are called the false bird of paradise. The orange flowers coming out, so pretty, nice green, leafy. Oh, we got a little lizard back there. And these are just huge leaves, the Alocasia. And eventually we will clean the Alocasia up, but we didn't want to shock it too much. We're giving it time, but once those start to grow in, we get a new bloom, those will look a little bit neater. They'll start to fill in nice. Got another, I did the pink tropical hibiscus and this nice red peachy color. The little Vincas for a pop of color. They're really popping today. I just love those huge leaves. Really wanted that tropical look. What do you think, Mia? We have to finish it off with some mulch I think it'll really give a nice finishing touch here, and then give it time to grow. So I'll have to take the tags off there, but I'm really happy with how these came out. We still have our cat palms here that we saved, but overall, really loving that nice purple color. We have so much greenery in our backyard. We really needed this, so from afar, it's just really giving it that pretty tropical, colorful vibes. I'm sure once they start to grow in, you'll really start to look nice. All right, Mia, what do you think? We're all done for now. We need to add mulch still, but I love how this turned out. We still have to cut a couple of the leaves off of the elephant's ear back there. I think these came out really nice. I'm excited to do the finishing touches for the mulch. And we have some finishing touches I need to do in the back corner there. I recently planted this really pretty jasmine tree, so I want to finish that off too and add some flowers around it. And that will be the next thing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for following along, watching. Let me know if you guys have any specific questions. I would love to know if you're working on a little backyard refresh. If you missed it, I did do a front yard refresh, and now we just did this one. And next up, we already started working on our little garden in the back, so stay tuned for that. We've got some fruit. This is our fruit area, so we are working on that now, and that will be next. We will see you on the next one.